Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a file upload contact form in your WordPress website. So first of all, let me go in dashboard, and now we need to go in plugins. So you can install a plugin to create a contact form. So this one I have installed, WP Forms. And here you can see I have installed WP Forms plugin for the contact form. So now let's go in WP Forms to check all the forms that are recently created. Okay, now to create a file upload form, let's go and click on add new button. So now let's go and select a template. You can also generate a form using AI. Then simply click here, use template. So now basic contact form is ready. Now how you can add file upload option. Now let's go back and then scroll down. So here I want to add file upload option, then simply you need to click on add fields. Then here you can see these are the different fields that you can easily add. So this one, file upload, you can drag it here and then click here. So now you can change the label, for example upload photo. Then scroll down. Here you can add allowed file extensions, for example PNG, JPG and different other sizes. And here you can add max file size in MBs, and also you can allow maximum file uploads at single time, for example 2 files, 3 files. And if you want to make this field as required, then you can check this one. Then you can go to advanced field and you can check the styles, modern and classic. So after that, click on save button. And now if you want to add this form in any page, then simply you can create a new page, for example contact form 1. Then click on let's go. So now click on publish button. Let me select Elementor and then publish. So now if you want to view this form on the front side, then simply you can open this link, scroll down, and here you can see upload file option is ready to use. So in this way you can easily create a file upload contact form in your WordPress website.